Welcome to the 8th ABIM, which is the annual Biocontrol industry meeting jointly organized by IBMA, the International Biocontrol Manufacturers Association, and FIBEL. We are holding this conference the 8th time in a series. It's increasing success story. We have this year already 670 delegates here doing networking, getting themselves updated on the latest development and doing business. So let's see what people are doing here.
What's the value for you to come to ABIM?
The networking. So we've met every half hour a new company that we could possibly collaborate with. It's very exciting. It's also very exciting to see how the whole industry and science has moved ahead from year to year. And we're at what I call the tipping point with biologicals, which means biologicals are going mainstream and everybody is interested, and it's wonderful to see since I've been in this for 30 years.
Looking at the quality of the people and the important positions they occupy, it shows that ABIM is really an event of major importance. I would consider that's the #1 event, at least in Europe, if not worldwide, for biocontrol.
The program this year, we've seen a lot of new innovative ideas. We've seen a difference in the microbials area in that there's been interest in yeasts for the first time. The change with legislation, with bringing in guidance for the botanicals, has also meant that we've ended up with a lot of interest in the plant extracts, and they have been very strongly discussed over the conference. We've also seen the larger multinational companies represented strongly at the conference, but also an interest very much in the smaller companies still.
Andermatt Biocontrol is a specialist in producing baculovirus products, so we are pretty active in the market of biocontrol. Well, when we will have a look around, there are many more booths as last year. Especially there are also more and more chemical industries coming to show their portfolio in here. For sure it's not bad if we do have such big companies which are known throughout the whole world, that they also are open for such solutions. It will help also to us as a small enterprise that we get more and more known abroad.
In 2012, a lot of big companies have been buying small, medium-sized companies of biocontrol. And well, I don't know if this is a good or bad for the sector, but I would like them to be as committed as we were during all this year.
My company works mainly with mycorrhiza. I am very satisfied to be present in this Congress, and it's a very good opportunity for my small company to present all the products that we are able to sell actually.
Our field why we are here is because we work in the area of beneficial plant microbe interactions. So we offer different types of research services for the industry, for the biocontrol industry. I like very much the atmosphere. I think it's very nicely, very well organized. So it's not too crowded, but enough people to have stimulated discussions. I think also the one-to-one meetings are very well organized and a very good tool. Also the availability of separate rooms.
It's a forum to be informed about regulatory issues, about the difficulties to get products developed and to come to the market.
So APC is a registration consultancy company based in Europe mainly. So we can offer services from the field all the way through to registration dossiers.
We've this year introduced a new concept of getting the International Organization for Biocontrol involved in the conference. We had a very good summary from Franz Biegler, who's the president of IOBC.
In the future, we can certainly improve collaboration in terms of lobbying and trying to get funds for joint projects where academia is doing the basic research part, and industry is bringing this knowledge into products and into practice.
There are many new spin-off companies arising from the universities. It's probably a new trend. Before, there was some antagonism between the university and the private sector, but I think that belongs to the past now.
ABIM is very important for us. It's the meeting place for our industry to network, to get new information, to talk with regulators. Every year we have an extending audience, we have new products being promoted, so it's really very important for our industry.
On behalf of the steering committee of the ABIM conference, I'm looking forward to meeting you again next year and see you again doing good business and using all the networking opportunities that ABIM offers.